what I have here today is a 2015 Mercedes GL550, and as in the previous video I show how to service the junction box for the W212 E350. The car wouldn't start after the accident. Same issue here with the GL550 X166 chassis. This unit is located on the passenger side under the hood. Has the red terminal cover where you put your positive lid right there. So basically what I'm going to show you how to open this up and replace the fuse. The way you do that, you remove this cover right here and then remove this cover right there. I'm doing that with one hand, so bear with me. So we're going to remove this cover, pry it off, then this cover right there. I have my assistant helping me. So once we remove this, our task is to separate this together. And this is where we're gonna get to the fuse. Fuse is exactly the same as I used for the W120 W212. So there is you have to see where the best way to pry it open. So there is slots right there. So I'm gonna separate this here, and you see it's already wanna come out. Then I'm gonna use it right here. Maybe I'll use my smaller flathead. Okay, now I see that spot right there. This side is still holding. Okay, now it wants to come apart. So I have to see what's holding it here. Okay, and I see it's right there. So once we pry it open all sides, this should come apart. Just bear with me. And okay, now I see. So now it's coming all apart, which is exactly what I need, except this side is still holding it together. Now it's all gonna come apart. Okay, now it's all apart. We put this to the side, and this is the fuse that we need to get to. 13 mil, remove this, and 10 mil. So we're gonna remove that, and we're gonna put the new fuse in. So I got my 10 mil, I got the 13 out. We're gonna use that bypass out of the way, and we have to wiggle it out, the fuse. So pry it off. Okay, the fuse is out. Put the new fuse in. I believe in last video I didn't say the part number of the fuse, so I'll tell you. Mercedes-Benz part number, you see right there, bunch of zeros, 6 and 697 at the end. Anyway, so that's what it is. And in the previous video I opened this and I show you what's get broken inside. So you lose your positive lead going inside and going into the car. So that's why. So once it's replaced, we're going backwards. I'm gonna use the 13. Don't forget your bypass here to the smaller 30 amp fuse. So there's no need to buy a new junction box. You basically can service this. So I'm gonna put this all back up, put it together, and I'm gonna install in the car. Didn't do the video while I was removing from the car, but recommendation, just do the video, take the picture so you know which cables go. It's pretty much hard to mess them up, which one goes where, but if you have that as a reference, that would be nice. And and that should work. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up so I do more videos like this to help you guys.